Today we are playing with my friend and cute kitty. And today MVP. My car is broken. We want to fix it. Look, when I make this.
Yes, sir.
When I make this, my car is broke. Now we need to do another one. Let's go. And I will teach you too. If you don't know, I will give you the material. Not your business. Who? Me. I was launching with my car. Plastic. Let's go. I don't make lunch already. يا جدعان. You are too dead. I'm not dead. My boys. Now grab a plastic. Place it here. Grab your. Grab your skeleton. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, who works out with him?
And 10.
Take this. Oh my god.
Tala, shut up. Take this. Hey! Let's complete. Let's go. Let's now grab a metal rod. Grab a metal rod. Place it in. 1, 2. And 1, 2. Now after you make like this, grab a servo.
Let me help you.
You can. I will let you. This tool don't have anything. I have the tool. I have all things.
I'm gonna kill you.
If you build a cool boat, if you build a cool boat, I will let you.
Okay. But I don't have materials.
I will give you. No. You need to buy. That's my business. I have 100 gold because I play this game every day. I didn't everything. Okay, let Aboud help you. If you don't, you will die. One, two. You know I can make a flying car. You know I can. Now here. One, two. And here, one.
We need to
I
make
built
a
one.
flying cart.
You cannot. I can make.
He's making.
One.
It is not. Oh my god, dinosaur. Take this. It didn't count.
You can tell her Tala. 1, 2. Hey. Shut up. Shut up. Hey, I will not help you. Hey.
I'm sorry.
I'm making. Where are you? This boat cannot fly. I will help you.
What's that?
Yoshi. You will see.
We don't know.
Okay, I will delete it.
No!
Hey.
That'll be fun. I'm stuck.
But the servo's broke. Okay, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Don't forget to make like, subscribe. أبو ده احنا لسه يا غبي. أنا لسه بقول لهم thank you. Help us.
Okay, bye bye, guys.
We can build any something.
Bye. Tell us out, please.
I will build car. Hey! Bye. 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 Bye.
Actually,
Bye.
Towers
Bye.
Simulator.
Bye. Bye.
We're gonna play Brookhaven. No, let's play Pocket Hella. Let's play.
Shut up.
I'm gonna play Tower Simulator.
Okay, I'm gonna play Build a Bot.
I'm gonna play soccer. Guys. Abudi, you should get a girlfriend.
Oh, guys, you heard that? You heard that?
I'm a single boy. I don't need a girlfriend. Now if I bring a girlfriend, I will eat her. You need a girlfriend. I'm a Sigma child.
بس ما
You need a girlfriend.
خلاص أنا مش